Hi everyone, here's how to update the BIOS on your laptop or PC. For laptops and pre-built PCs from well-known manufacturers, you first need to find the exact model of your computer. There are two easy ways to do this. First way is to look for any stickers on the computer or markings which are often found on the bottom of your laptop. The second way is to search for MSInfo32 in Windows and press Enter and check the system information. This will display important details like the model number, the BIOS version and its release date. Next, type your model plus BIOS download into Google and open the manufacturer's official website. Select your operating system version, then download the BIOS update file and run it. Follow the instructions and restart your machine when prompted. The update usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes, after which your system will reboot normally. For major manufacturers like Dell, Lenovo and HP, there are dedicated utilities that simplify the update process by automatically providing the necessary driver updates. When downloading these tools, you might be prompted to enter your serial number, which you can find using this command or by entering this command, which is the newer version of the previous one. For custom-built PCs, you'll need to find your motherboard model instead. You can check the box it came in, or again use MSInfo32 where you will find the motherboard model and the current BIOS version. Once you have the model name, search it on Google and go to the manufacturer's official website. Then click the support subsection, select BIOS and download the latest stable version. The update process may vary slightly depending on the brand, but generally you need to extract the files onto a USB flash drive and boot into the BIOS. Then select the option for flashing the BIOS and choose the file from the USB stick. Wait the process to complete, and after it reboots, you can check the BIOS version again to verify that the update was successful. Updating the BIOS is not something that you need to do regularly, and you must be careful not to accidentally turn off the power during the process. I recommend performing this procedure only in the following cases. First, after building a PC or purchasing a brand new computer. Second, when there is a critical security, system stability or performance issue that needs to be addressed immediately. And third, when new features or hardware support is available that you need to use with your configuration. If this video helped you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.